USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in the same page on this very crucial, very important. Nothing is important in any of in the earth as of now than the civil justice sign off, right? Because we are all aware of the deadliest scandal, and at least the root cause is identified, and immediately the civil justice must be served to me. So this civil justice is for I'm United States of America with fatal negligence disease only created enforced poverty for me, and United States of America nation do not have any birth rates to enforce poverty for me. Okay, and that's why this civil justice, I'm signing off the civil justice for myself. I am Vedapriya Prose. So for I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis's Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. Scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica is a Roman Empire king. He wrote is a Islam Judaism is Antichrist Pope Francis. Never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate. Why Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of Roman King Herod is Pope Francis to be fatal negligence. So either USA government should say knows who is Republica Roman King Herod is Pope Francis, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica Roman King Herod is Pope Francis. And the civil justice as of now is I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off. Republica Roman King Herod is Pope Francis with fatal negligence, failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate, and Pope Francis failed in Roman King Herod as well. So to I and enforced poverty for me, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today. And finance disability enforced to me. So it is a crime for Republica, Roman province, Roman Catholic Christianity, Jesuits, Vatican leader, Roman King Herod is Pope Francis when ruling USA, never educated. USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil justice is I, Vedapriya Prose, want USA Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 in full and sign off tax-free for $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and each Republica Antichrist Pope Francis must sign off tax-free $1 billion multiplied with grand total of Roman Empire Kings alias Popes as in Pope 1 to Pope 266. So that will be another new grand total of $266 billion for Pope Francis, hiding the truth that Pope Francis is a Roman Empire king, is only Pope to USA nation forever, and direct deposit to my bank account. And at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness, God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republica government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And for Vedapriya Vedapriya Prose displayed the scandal of Pope Francis and the Roman Empire King to USA. Roman Empire King he wrote to USA government. I Vedapriya Prose for civil justice accordingly as in Holy Bible guidelines. I Vedapriya Prose want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Families and Welfare, then Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Department of Military, in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India, and I must get the dual citizenship of US and India now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all in the same page on the civil justice sign-off process. And yes, Pope Francis is the Antichrist, the Satan, the Lucifer, and he is disqualified to live in the earth, and he should not be living in the earth, and that itself is a crime. Okay, so thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.